Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 20th of November 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the static keyword. So before starting our today's discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. And if you talk about my family, there are total 4 members in my family, including me, my father, my mother, and my brother. So that's all about me. So now we will discuss about our today's discussion topic, that is the static keyword. So actually the static keyword is used to discuss any variable or any method as a static, and also there is one block, that is the static block is also present in the there is also one block, that is the static block is declared by using the static keyword. So now we will discuss about the static class. We can't declare outer class as a static class, but we can able to declare the inner class as a static class. That's the declaration of the static keyword inside the class. So now we will discuss about the static variable. So if we declare an instance variable by using a static keyword, that time that keyword that variable is called as a static variable. And the difference between the static variable and the instance variable is the static variable is used for the memory management purpose. Means if you declare or if you use repeatedly the value of that variable in the execution of the code, at that time the memory is given to that particular variable is the same. Means it can't be override or it can't be increased, it is of the same size. But if you declare or if you call that instance variable in the execution of the code for multiple times, then the memory getting for that particular variable is for that all the times, means it is multiplied. But in case of the static, it is not happen. But the main method is also declared as a static method, because the main method we know the execution of the code is started from the main method, and the main method execution starts from the JVM, and we know about the static method, that is the all the methods before execution of all the methods, firstly preference goes for the static method. That's why the main method is static. And before execution of the static, that is the main method, if the static block is present in the code, then the static block is executed first before execution of the main method, because static block is executed at the time of the class loading. That's the difference of the execution of the static block or the execution of the main method. That's all about that static keyword. And now we will discuss any method is declared as a static method, then it is also used for the memory management purpose, because if you call that method multiple times, the memory allocated for that method is only at once. Means if we called that method which is declared as a static for suppose 10 times, the memory is allocated is just for one time. But if that method is not declared as static, then at that time the memory key is allocated for the 10 times is multiplied by 10, means the memory is also increased for, after calling that particular method. That's the difference of that declaration of the static method or the static variable. That's all about today's video topic. Thank you.